Step 1. Select the type of building you are working with. Step 2. Select your existing type of fixtures or lamps you find in the building. Here you need to make few selections. You need to pick the number of lamps or fixtures. You also need to indicate how many hours the lights are on for that particular fixtures or lamps. Then click on Next. Step 3. These are your replacement options that will replace the lamp or fixture that you have chosen in Step 2. The number of fixtures or lamps are set for you in corresponding to the previous step. In case if you need, you can change the number to your requirement. If any of the LED has a usage time option, it's important to choose one of the following option from day and night for incentive calculation purpose. Now, select one or more LEDs from the options. Now, you are on result page. This is where you will see all the details analysis. You could finish this report here and click on Get Detailed Report. The detailed report will be sent to your email once you fill out the form in the next page. Before that, you can add more lamps or fixtures by clicking here. You can also remove all the data here by clicking on Clear All. You can also remove one particular option by clicking on this cross. Now, let's review the report and what it means. This is the existing lighting details, what the current lighting has. This is the proposed LED, what you will be putting in. This is the analysis on savings and projected cost. Annual savings, save phone energy rebate, product and installation cost, net investment and ROI. ROI is basically the numbers of years it will take for you to get your money back, based on the investment and savings. Thank you for watching. For any technical information, please contact DIY LED Retrofit.